Hello, my dear people. Today we'll be looking at the lab Enhance Gemini with access to external services with function calling. This lab is made from a request I got from a previous video, and in this I'll help you complete the lab in less than 5 minutes. Alright, once your lab is ready, let's go ahead and open the GCP console. This will take about 20 seconds to load. Make sure you open it in a new incognito window. You can go ahead and click the I understand button if you're asked for any terms and service agreements. Click agree and continue. Now that our GCP console is ready, let's go back to the lab and check what our first task is. So let's scroll down below. So our first task is to go to the Vertex AI workbench. Let's go back to our lab. On the search bar on the top, let's search workbench. Let's click the AI workbench. Now we see the workbench interface. Let's go back and check what we have to do next. So we have to click Open Jupyter Lab. So let's go back and click on Open Jupyter Lab. This should open your lab in a new tab. This will take about a minute. In the meantime, please go down below in the description and open the GitHub link. The code we need for this lab is uploaded on GitHub. Perfect. Now that we have our Jupyter notebook open, let's go back and check what we have to do. So we have to open a Python 3 notebook. Let's go back and click on Python 3. This should open an untitled notebook on a new tab. Now let's go back. Here it says we have to rename the notebook to Function Lab. This step is very important. Make sure to do this. Let's copy the name, come back here to Notebook. Let's right-click on the untitled notebook and click Rename. Let's now paste the name. Make sure .ipynb only comes once in the name. Now let's select the first cell, and here we will paste the code that is on GitHub. Just copy-paste the whole code that is in the GitHub file, which is linked in the description. Before we go ahead and run this, there are a few things we have to check. Check the location variable and confirm it as per what is given in your lab. Here it's US Central 1, so we are good. Let's go back. Next, we'll scroll down and check for the system instructions and temperature. So as we see, the one in my lab and the code are the same, so we are good here too. Next, check the model name. The lab says Gemini 2.5 Flash, and we have Gemini 2.5 Flash. Make changes if your lab has something different. Now we are all good. Let's go ahead and run this cell. You may click Shift plus Enter to run the current cell. Now the cell is running. You can see below that the kernel is showing as busy. The full run of the cell will take about a minute. Let's wait. After about 20 seconds, you will see a few warnings come up. It's totally fine. We will wait until the whole cell is completed running. You have to wait until test 5 is printed on the notebook. Perfect. Once cell run is complete, it will also show a kernel restart pop-up. Go ahead and click OK. Now the most important part before we go check progress. Make sure you save this file. Make sure the file's name is as per what was given in your lab. You can click Ctrl plus S to save, and to be sure, we can go up to the File option on top left. Here we will click Save Notebook. Just assure again that the notebook is saved. Once you have confirmed, let's go back to the lab and check progress for the first task. This should say that the assessment is complete. Now let's go down and check progress for task 2. Here we are not seeing progress yet, so what we're going to do is we will go back to our notebook, go above, select the cell and run again. We will again wait for the whole cell to complete the run. You have to see test 5 printed on the notebook. Now we see the cell run completed. Don't forget to save the file again. Let's click OK for the kernel restart dialog box. Let's now go to the File option and click Save Notebook. Now we'll go back and check progress for the second task. Perfect. Now it says assessment is complete. Thank you all for watching, and please consider subscribing if these videos help. And yes, congratulations, we have completed this lab. You can go ahead and end it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and bye.